Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a wonderful unboxing from Flying Monkey Totes. If you guys see my videos before, she makes boxes with boxes. She's very talented at painting these beautiful, I don't know what you want to say, boxes of joy, I guess. This is for Samhain, and I'm just cutting open the envelope it came in so I don't ruin it. I'm probably echoing because I'm transferring the room. So soon, guys, I'll be doing videos in my new space. I hope you guys love it. I'm hoping I love it as well because construction is not fun. So she wraps it in newspaper with my name and a cute little sticker. Dying to see her design for sewing. Ooh, beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Nevermore with a beautiful like blue and black sparkle all the way around. Very beautiful. And that's not it, guys. There's stuff in here. So let's see if I can get this in there for you. Here we go. And we got goodies. Okay. If you want to get one of these lovely boxes, this is her info. I'll leave it in the description below as well. So we got some stickers. Cool Wolf. Tarot card. Beautiful card she created. Like that a lot. Right, let's get rid of the noodlies. Noodlies. Okay. Wow, this is really beautiful. A raven, sparkly black, and it's a candle. Ooh, very, very nice. I like him. It's going on my altar. And then we have a purple sachet. And in here we have beautiful chain. I'm gonna guess this is tourmaline. Tourmaline pendant, very beautiful, great for serious protection. I got something on me. Marker, I don't know. Sorry, guys. Beautiful necklace. We have Aztec spice, chocolate, cinnamon, and chili flakes. It's a tea, I think. Yeah, tea. We have some rosemary. We have a perfume oil, Rose of Jericho oil, it says. She wrapped this really good. I can't open it. I think I got it. Yes. So we got Rose of Jericho roller oil. And it says ground rose of Jericho, amber, calendula, and avocado oils and floral essences. And then we have over here, we have some incense sticks, which is called Dark Night. We have this little wrap package, which I believe it's her pretty candles. Oops. Yes, they are. Ooh. Oops. No. White ribbon. Black ribbon. I thought I've seen a red one. Maybe I'm not. Alright, black and white, I guess. I thought I seen red, but unless I'm losing it. And then we have these beautiful candles, and it's got the bird skull too, which is really cool. Maybe I dropped it? I know I dropped the white one. I guess not. Cracking myself up. Ooh, I love this. Super excited. Let me see. Yep, very nice. Bird skull, and it's a mirror shaped as a coffin. Very, very cool. Love it. And then, of course, all these beautiful papers that she creates as well that goes with the box. We have the raven, and this contains the contents. So, hand-painted wooden storage box, obviously, nevermore. Beautiful. Samhain ritual includes rosemary, the ribbons, and the candles. So, we got this with Samhain ritual, the ribbons, and the rosemary. The raven mirror skull. Candles of miniature raven. Oil rose of Jericho. The herb is the rosemary. Dark night is the incense sticks. The tea. And then it says art cards and stickers, but she also included this gorgeous tourmaline necklace. So I didn't see that on here. Maybe I missed it. No. But that is an extra beauty for the box. Then we have this beautiful card, and it's a Samhain prayer for the ancestors. We have information. Oh, she just forgot to write it. Black tourmaline. Everything is on beautiful cardstock. Really, really nice. Rose of Jericho oil and what's in it. Rosemary magic. Information about the raven. Info about what a Samhain is. Samhain traditions and history. And a beautiful ritual. I love her boxes as always. Thank you very much for giving this to me. I absolutely love it. Happy Samhain, everybody.